Hi, this is Sean from SCNT here at InfoComm 2025. Uh, Here I would like to introduce our new products that will be ready in the next quarter. This is USB DP Ultimo along with USB 2.0 extenders. Everything will be all in one cable, and it will transmit and support over 100 meters in CAT6e, and also you will have the option to go fiber for a longer distance with the SFP Plus modules. And if you want more information, you can get more information on our website, which is www.sct.com.tw. And also, if you're in the North America regions, you can also go to our online store, which is at www.sct-supply.com. Thank you for watching.